Hello, my artistic family. Welcome back to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs and to today's pour. And for those of you who have just stopped by, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Okay, guys, so before I get started, I just wanted to update you guys. So a few weeks ago, I did my 5K giveaway, and I'm almost at 6. It could be now. You guys are so awesome. Thank you so much, guys. This is a collaboration between me and you. You know, this is how the channel works. You guys leave comments, leave suggestions, let me know by liking that you like things. I'll do more of them, etc. So I appreciate it. With that being said, the winner ended up being Danielle Tinney. I said I hoped I didn't butcher her name, and I didn't. She confirmed that I did say it right. So her giveaway was a $50 value. And I wanted to make it a little mysterious, so instead of showing you guys what it was, I wanted it to be a surprise for Danielle, because I made it a little bit personal to show my extra love and appreciation for the people who take the time to leave comments and watch me regularly. You deserve it. So Danielle ended up sending me a message last week, letting me know, sorry for my light, guys, it's changing there for me. Danielle let me know that she received her bag of goodies, yay, and she absolutely loved it. So what I got her was some of my favorites. I got her 2 large, the almost 1 liter bottles of Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, the black and the white. I also got her the range of Artist Loft metallics, the copper, the bronze, the silver. And then I also got her, if you guys remember, I did a marble pour on a couple wood MDF letters from Artist Loft a while back. That is in my playlist if you want to take a look at that. And I got her the D for Danielle and the T for Tinny. So I thought I would personalize that, give her some touches of Shannon, some of my favorite metallic colors, as well as the Artist Loft staples, the white and black. And I'm not sure if she paints regularly or not, but she watches the channel regularly, so we know she's into art, and I hope she does. I did ask her if she's comfortable to definitely send me a picture of whatever she makes, because I would love it. But she's very happy with her gift, and I told you guys I'd let you know what it was, and there you go. So, what are we doing today? Well, I have this 12 by 24 inch Artist Loft canvas, and I'm working with the warm side, soft and warm colors today with the metallics. Usually I'm bold and bright, but I'm going to be soft and vibrant today. So I am using this gorgeous Deco Art Americana Champagne. As you guys can see here, super shimmery. Reminds me of like a latte or coffee mocha, these colors together minus the copper. Or sorry, minus, yeah, the copper. And then we're using my staple Artist Loft Metallic Bronze. And again, I love this color, but I will be branching out very soon and trying a range of metallics from different brands, okay? And see how I feel about them versus the Artist Loft. But I really love their pigments, and I love how their paints work. And then I also have the Artist Loft Metallic Copper, which you can get in a range of different colors and all kinds of different brands, but so rich and gorgeous and vibrant. Yummy. Love it. And then I'm using Craft Smart Suede. Okay. And it kind of looks like just like the color, you know, kind of goes in with that khaki. It's very warm, creamy, taupey color. Love that. Looks very good. This is a gorgeous color palette. And then I have this gorgeous shimmery, and of course you're not able to see it, but this gorgeous shimmery metallic white, white pearl by Craft Smart. Okay. So that is my color palette today. And the plan, guys, is I'm going to lay a few puddles, And then I'm going to do a straight pour or a traveling straight pour somewhere throughout the painting. I'm just going to get my groove, let the creative juices flow. So come along with me, guys. I'm going to prep my surface and we're going to get going. Okay, so I'm starting now with the gorgeous copper. I'm going to add in some bronze. And I'm going to go back in with the copper, just a bit this time. You know, it's bossy, although that's the color that I want to be front and center today. I'm going to use some white pearl. We're going to add in some suede. We're going to add, oops, no, doing the suede. Touch of the bronze. Gonna go in with the champagne. I'm gonna go back in with the white pearl. Look at that, guys! Surprise, surprise! Wouldn't be me if I didn't do that, eh? This looks super pretty. Oh, it's been a while since I did my little belt out. My little, what do I call it? My sewing down. Okay. Wow, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. Oh, wow. Okay, so let's take our cup. Plenty of paint. And again, my paints are pretty fluid. So, I'm going to make some designs in this, but I'm going to wait. I'm actually going to wait, guys, and see. Okay, so let's get moving this baby, and I'll apologize in advance, guys. There's some sections that you are unable to see. There will be more than likely negative space in this. I'm just going to let that slide its way over. Oh my gosh, is this a stunner? Oh my gosh, guys. So we know we're going to get rid of that little tail. And I need to come back over this end anyway. So I'm just going to do that slowly. Turn that around for you guys. Beautiful, I don't want you to miss anything. I'm just going to take that right off and come back. Oh. Oh, I want to weep. I want to weep right now. Like, I want to weep right now, you guys. That's how excited I get sometimes when a pour really amazes me and I try something new. Like, I'm serious to the point where I really want to weep. Alright, so let me just add some more white on here. So we make sure that we are nice and good. Okay. Whoa, this is a stunner. So really what I'm working with right now is what's down here. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn this around and face me for a minute here, guys. Great. Alright guys, so we want to come down here now. Let me see where the weight of my paint is. Okay. I need to go very slow. I'm done. I'm done. I've learned my lesson. I'm continuing to play and play and play and play and play when I have something beautiful. Okay, do have some cells starting here on the side. You guys will see this beauty in the close-up. Alright guys, I am just in love, as you could tell from the video. I cannot contain my excitement. I'm very passionate and it shows, and I just love it. That copper is so gorgeous. It's still so soft, but like I said, soft, beautiful, and vibrant. That's exactly what this is. I did get some really cool pearl, really perfectly shaped pearl cells. And again, guys, you can get that with just Artist Loft Flow acrylic in the right consistency. And sometimes, depending on your paints, the metallics are cell reactive, at least in my opinion, from my experience. And how you layer your paints, it all matters. But yeah, the lighting's not doing anything. I'm having a lot of problems today. I have some usually with lighting because I pour so many different times a day, and just the layout of my art studio and where my window is. This is beautiful. Very earthy, gorgeous colors. Love it, love it, love it. I'm thinking this piece may need a companion. I'm not sure what you guys think. But let me know down in the comments if you would like me to do my other 12 by 24 with these colors. Doesn't have to be the same technique, but just so this one has a close relative, because I absolutely love it. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all your support. And until next time, I'll see you in the next pour.